Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a dropshipping company with OfferUp step by step clearly. Research your niche before diving in. Identify a product category that interests you. Analyze current trends and market demand. Create a list of potential items to sell. Next, set up an OfferUp account. Download the OfferUp app or access the website. Register with your email or phone number. Complete your profile to establish credibility. Once your account is ready, research suppliers. Look for reliable dropshipping suppliers online. Evaluate their product quality, shipping times, and reviews. Establish communication with potential suppliers. Choose your products from these suppliers. List these products on your OfferUp account. Create engaging and clear listings. Include high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Set competitive prices while ensuring a profit margin. Market your listings through social media. Use platforms like Instagram and Facebook to promote. Engage with your audience to generate interest. Once an order comes in, process it quickly. Contact your supplier to fulfill the order. Provide tracking information to your customer. Stay responsive to customer inquiries and feedback. Continuously analyze your sales data. Identify best-selling products and potential new items. Adjust your listings and marketing strategies as needed. Scale your dropshipping business gradually. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.